Welcome to an exploration of the mind's intricate landscapes, where fears form barriers often unseen but profoundly felt. Today, we delve into the enigma of dendrophobia, a unique fear of trees that profoundly impacts its sufferers. This condition turns peaceful forests into mazes of terror, transforming a gentle walk in the park into an intimidating challenge. Dendrophobia isn't merely a distaste for trees or a preference for urban settings. It's a severe anxiety triggered by trees' very essence, rooted deep within the psyche. In this segment, we aim to dismantle common misconceptions about dendrophobia, replacing misunderstanding with insight. We will appreciate the complex nature of phobias, not just simple dislikes, but intense emotions guiding life's direction. Understanding dendrophobia marks the first step towards empathy for those in its grip, as we journey into the human mind's most shadowed corners. Continuing our journey, we connect with individuals enmeshed in dendrophobia's tendrils and experts lighting the way through its obscurity. Personal stories reveal the deep impact of this fear, transforming the simplicity of park walks into daunting endeavors, with trees morphing from nature's guardians to formidable triggers of anxiety. Experts unpack dendrophobia's roots, highlighting how responses to past experiences or underlying anxieties manifest as this phobia, with every case as unique as the person it affects. Yet, amidst these narratives, we discover hope, strategies for coping and overcoming dendrophobia shine through. Advancing, we explore recovery tools, illustrating how knowledge and support lay the groundwork for transforming fear-filled places back into sources of joy. As our exploration concludes, we find ourselves in a clearing of understanding and hope. Overcoming dendrophobia is daunting yet achievable, with various strategies and treatments casting light on once shadowed paths. Success stories and professional advice serve as guides, inspiring those still navigating the thicket of fear. We learn of the profound impact of therapy, gradual exposure, and the solidarity found in support groups. The journey through dendrophobia is one of healing, relearning to see the forest not as a domain of dread but as a bastion of beauty, resilience, and rejuvenation. Those at the forest's edge, remember, every step forward on this path of recovery, guided by professional help, is a stride towards the nurturing embrace of the natural world.